They're fireworks. Get over it. I don't know where I'm out there.
No, that is not what I wanted to do.
Boom. They're really tiny, but they're so loud. Oh no, the tree! Stand right here, you get a great shot.
I'll try not to.
The big ones are so, like, not loud.
I'm gonna sit because I'm a lazy American and the grass is wet.
I don't want to get my tail wet.
I really don't care. See, that's the difference.
That's pretty.
I don't think do this ones in shapes anymore.
No.
Why not?
No, I don't know.
Like, they had like Saturn ones, like color ones. Now we have these.
I love that sound. 'Cause baby, you're a firework.
No.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind?